Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to create an automated enemy just like this one. An enemy who can run and sit and shoot and then run away and come back somehow and then shoot again. Okay, to do that you need to prepare your sprites. Okay, I actually have a tutorial on how I create this sprite. I create this sprite from these two images from Google image, and then if you like to watch the tutorial, you can actually just go to YouTube under Buildbox Pro and search for Photoshop dash create enemy sprite for Buildbox, and just click show more. You can have the link and download the free sprite there actually. Alright, okay, let's start the tutorial from scratch. Simply file and new, search for platformer and then create. Okay, delete this scene one, maybe leave it there, just delete the enemy, delete this, adjust the position of your character, and then let's bring in everything. An object, object, and object. Alright, from scene number 2, scene number 1, we're going to bring this. Okay, but let's rename this enemy 1 and this enemy 2, and then change the size. This time I'm going to change it to 0.5 and then change the collision shape to circle, maybe polygon. And then same to this one. And go back to character enemy number 1, change the animation speed. Alright, under scene number 1, let's bring in enemy number 1, change the scale to -1. It will automatically move -7 to your side. And let's bring in enemy number 2, make sure you put it same position as this one, 1080 250, -2 50 1080 -1, and then link this. Okay, let's have the preview. Okay, first we need to make it stop and sit, okay, before you can make it shoot. Okay, I want it to Every time when it get near to the character, it will sit down and start shooting. To do that, you're going to attach some you need to attach a transform object to your character. Over here, and then link. So wherever your character go, it will bring this transform object. Okay, under the transform object, only effect enemy number one and modify, I mean replace. Okay, replace the movement to scale mode 1 1 and then 7. Okay, let's see if I get it right. I will be, yes, do you see that? Yes, but I don't want my character to move in the center of the camera view, so I want it to be like this. Should be okay. When the enemy comes, it will go back. Alright, now let's make it sit down and start shooting. How do we do that? Okay, actually this one is the one who changed everything, but first you need to know the coordination, your position of your character. This one is actually 250. How far do I need to throw this away? How far do I need to move this until I get this image replace him over here? Okay, the only way for me to do that is simply move it up like this until you get it sit down like this, and then check what is the position on y-axis. Maybe you can make it 750. Okay, I believe it's 750. Okay, let's okay, 750, and then put back to 250 1080. Okay, 750, remember that number and then put it here. Every time this thing collide to the enemy number one, it will position modifier him to 750. Okay, and then it will stop moving. Okay, preview. Okay, while am I still moving? Alright, the character is still moving because I didn't put 0. And then -1. Okay, when you move nearer, when the enemy comes, it will sit down, and then he should start shooting. Okay, to do that, you actually need to bring in the bullet, and then under the seat position, I'm going to place this as enemy collide, no collide, and destroy character, and then the bullet speed should be maybe 0.5. and then always attach connect. Okay, this character connect to this one, and then this bullet you need to set um, a spawner. Let's say every 1.5 seconds it will shoot. Okay, let's see the preview. Okay, what's going on? And shoot. Okay, maybe change it to every 2.5 seconds. Every 2.5 seconds it will shoot, and then I don't want it to be too near, so this one should go a little further. Okay, so that the enemy shoot from range. Okay, let's have the preview and start shooting. Boom. Okay, now how do we add sound to the bullet? The only way is we have two ways to add bullet sound. You can simply put under this idle sound, because if you put the sound under wake up sound it's going to be weird. It only shoot one, you can only hear the sound once during the wake up. So I'm not going to put the sound here, I'm just going to put it under idle sound, but we're going to face a problem. Okay, let's see the problem. See, this is the problem. Okay, I'm going to try and fix this. I actually need to bring in one inv object, one more bullet under object, and rename this just sound, and then bring it here. So this original bullet we delete this sound, and then the second bullet, which this one, we place it idle sound. Okay, same thing, but I'm going to make a difference because this only carries the sound. The time amount is same 2.5, and then this is only a decoration which is shoot -50 downward. Alright, okay, let's see if I fix it. Yes, I did fix it. Okay, so far that's the only way for you to make the sound disappear. And don't forget to make this thing as the opacity to 0. so you can only hear the sound when it shoots. Alright, so if you want to make the enemy to run back after a few shots, actually you can do this. Just use this, bring in the platform and then decoration. Make sure you see, make sure you know the place of this one. How far is it from your character? My character is 170. And how far is it? This one. Maybe I should change it to 770. So the difference from my character is 600. Alright, 600. So the position is 770, 600. All I need to do is, you know how far is it from your character, and then simply use it as a measurement. This one only take effect to this character number 1, so let's put it character number 1, and then replace a position back to 250, and then 1 1 linear velocity 7. Okay, and then it should be this big, and then this one is no collide decoration invisible. Let's make it move to y-axis about 3. Preview. Okay, the thing is, it already collide to my character, so I don't want that. Change this to 2. Okay, preview. Okay, do you see that? Start the game. When you see your character, it should hit this. Okay, at least you have the idea on how to make your character, or I mean how to make your enemy to move around. Just play around with this what do you call this, logic transform. Okay, and then place it where you want your enemy to take action. For example, I bring my transform action here because I want my enemy to come, sit and shoot, and then when it go up, it makes the enemy to move, run back. Okay, so now that you see the technique, you can now start and create your own enemy uh, automated movement. Okay, let's just see the preview one more time. I move forward. When I see the enemy will sit down and start shooting, and then here you can see it runs back. It's because of this one. Alright, this is just to show the enemy, this is just to tell the enemy to move back. But if you don't want your enemy to run away, you can just delete this and play the game not from here, from here, and then you will have everything as you want. Boom, restart. Okay, this one is the enemy. Oh, this one is the enemy. Alright, you can download this file. I'm going to save this as a, what do you call this, save as enemy. Okay, maybe under build box dash enemy, maybe under automated enemy. Alright, you can download this file under my YouTube channel. Simply click more under the video, and then there you go, the download link. Alright, thanks for watching and bye.